92.7 The Block, Charlotte source for hip hop and R&B. Guess what? We here.
Yes.
We here.
We here. We made it. I'm slim and sexy. You saying it's fat boy season?
Yeah, man, I'm trying to,
Come on now.
preserve my sex. We're not bound by where we're from. The God always has a plan. You just got to keep working.
Man, that's a nice jacket.
Oh, man, I took a shower today.
Radio 1 Charlotte is definitely in the building.
What's up, y'all? This is BJ, the Chicago kid. Keep it locked right here on 92.7 The Block.
What's up, man?
Hey, man. Where you get that from? What type of ensemble is that, sir?
Coming up, what can we expect from you coming up soon?
Oh, an album.
Okay. That's Boo right there. That's Bay.
Yep, I landed in country myself.
Right. Okay.
With my record, The Get Up.
Don't stop. I didn't never know I was gonna be known internationally as a singer. I was actually always into music. I just never knew that the world would take me. You know what I'm saying?
On Go with Jay, no Radio 1 Charlotte. Listen, on behalf of the Queen City all the way to Sin City, we rocking out with you. On Go with Jay, no Mr. J Woods.
We here.
BT Soul Train Awards.
2019.